Welcome kids. Today's topic paper diya wall hanging, and for that we need
chart paper, marble papers, glitter foam sheet, scissor, pencil, fevicol, stapler and woolen thread. So let's get started. So first we have to fold this paper in this way.
So after folding it will look like this. Now we have to cut the ends in this way as shown. So it will look like this. We have to press it at the center and fold it in this way. Press it again. And then we have to staple it at the center in this way. Now we have to apply Fevicol on one side and then join it like this. Press it properly and repeat the same on other side and make a flower shape. So it will look like this. Now take a marble paper of any color, then press it in this way. So we have to press it from the center in this way as shown. Press it properly. Now apply Fevicol on one side as we done before, and then press it properly. So it will look like this. It will take a diya shape. So in same way we have to make 4 more diyas. Now we will take golden glitter foam sheet and then we will start drawing the shape of petal. In this way we will draw the shape of petal on the foam sheet. And then we will start cutting it. After cutting, we will get the shape of the petal like this. So like this we have to cut the 5 shapes of petal. At the back of the foam sheet we found sticker. So we have to remove it and stick these petals on diyas in this way. Press it properly, stick it properly. So we have to stick all the petals on diyas as we are getting diyas bath or flame. Now we have to take this yellow flower, apply Fevicol at the center and then take one diya and stick at the center of that flower. Press it properly and stick it properly in this way. Now we have to pierce 2 holes downwards on the 2 sides of a yellow flower in this way as shown. Now take a woolen thread of any color and stick on the back of all the diyas in this way. And then cut it in this way only. Now we will insert 2 diya hangings, woolen threads, in the 2 holes of the yellow flower which we have done, and we have to tie a knot in this way as shown. Now we will pierce one more hole at the center downwards to hang one more diya in this way. So it will look like this. Now we have to stick one more diya on the middle woolen thread in this way. Now we will stick the remaining diya in this way. We will stick the diya at the end of the middle woolen thread in this way. So it will look like this. So kids, our paper diya wall hanging is ready. I hope you like the video. You also try this craft at home. Thank you.